everybody, it's Ricky here with Apple Valley Farm. Have something a little unusual for you today, or I should say something a little different from what we normally do. I do have a tool review for you today, but it's not a woodworking tool. It's not a typical shop tool, but today we're going to be taking a look at the KitchenAid 2-speed Immersion Blender. I know. Today is laundry detergent making day. So in case you don't know, if you follow us, then you know that we use Homemade Laundry Detergent. And we have kind of a process for that. I'll put a link to it in the notes so you can get the recipe and watch some instructions about it, stuff like that. But when we do it, it tends to be a little clumpy. And I think, this is just me, I think that that's due to our process. And our process is we grate, you'll see, but as our process is, we grate the laundry bar into here, into fine little like cheese grate chunks. Then we put hot water in here and then we just stir it until it dissolves. And that works pretty good, but I think it leaves behind some clumpiness. So I think this guy will fix our problems, and I think it'll be velvety smooth. I'm not gonna go through, this is not gonna be a how to make your own laundry detergent video. This is gonna be more of a review of an unboxing, because I haven't even opened this box yet. I got this at Walmart. It's about 30 bucks. A little pricey to me, but 30 bucks, let's just see if it works, then to me, it'll be worth it. I've already got our laundry bar in the bucket. All I've got to do now is I've got a couple of gallons of hot water, just out of the faucet, hot water. I'm gonna pour this in here, and I'm gonna use the Immersion Blender to hopefully blend this up into what hopefully won't be a big frothy mess. And let's just see how it goes. All right, the first thing we wanna do is just take it out of the box. Now this shouldn't be really complicated. It should just be a little blender that plugs in. I'm not even gonna look at the instructions. This particular Immersion Blender comes with a blending cup, which we won't need for this. There we go, there's the end. Here is the blender itself. That's great. Take it out of the plastic. There we go. Nicely done. My wife just walked out. She's on the other side of the camera. She's looking at me wondering, what are we doing?
I did not authorize that purchase. I can tell you that right now.
So here we go. Let's hook this baby up. Woo, nice. So this obviously spins here. This covers it to keep it from going everywhere. Hopefully this is not going to suds up into some big huge mess. All right, let's just see.
It will. I tried to tell you.
Hush. Hush up. All right. You can't even hear that, can you? I can hear it. It's humming. All right. Ooh. All right. That's faster.
Let me cut your hair with that.
Look at that. It says it's a 2-speed, but it actually seems like it's a 3-speed. All right, so 2 speeds. I'm gonna pour the hot water in here, and we're gonna see what happens when we do this on maybe a low speed. Let's just see. Okay, so it's getting a little sudsy in there, but that was sort of expected, but really not that bad because we're not really introducing a lot of air. Okay. I like that. I think that went really well. Let's see if it mixed everything up very well. Let's just reach down in here and see what it feels like. Okay, I still feel some of the particles, not all of them, but I do feel some of them down in there. So I think we want, yeah, see there's a little bit of the soap. And some of that just needs to dissolve. So let's do it some more. All right, let's just do it some more. Let's do it on high speed. Now I've had this kind of resting on the bottom. I'm going to pull it up an inch or so from the bottom, and maybe that'll give a chance to kind of circulate some of that up in there. Okay, let's check this out. And again, as I had said, we don't know what we're doing. We're just seeing what we're just seeing what works. It is all gone. That's all gone. That worked perfectly. I'm so excited. Okay, now I'm gonna finish this off. Oh, yes. All right, that was cool. Is this a full review of the KitchenAid 2-speed immersion blender? No, it's not. But as it relates to what we do with it, which is helping to smooth out our homemade laundry detergent process, this thing works. This thing works like a charm. This is great. And I can only reasonably expect that it's going to do a great job in other applications, in food applications. So I would say, at least from the point of view of what we're doing with it and an expected view of what it could do, I would definitely give this 2 thumbs up. This was well worth it. This is gonna take our laundry detergent from this glumpy, clumpy mess, which still works, it just doesn't look very good. It's gonna take it from that to this really velvety, smooth, consistent mixture that looks much more commercial-like. And so I just think this is great. The KitchenAid 2-speed immersion blender, or they call it the hand blender, but it's an immersion blender. I would say it was well worth the 30 bucks. Varying prices here and there, but I would say it was well worth it. Hey, thanks a lot for watching though. And as I said, this was a little unusual, not your typical woodworking tool or shop tool, but it's something that we use around here to do things that we need to do. And I just wanted to share this with you. Alrighty. Hey, thanks a lot for hanging out. Hey, if you enjoyed this, please let us know. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We love you, we need you, and that helps us out. And it helps you stay in touch with us if you like stuff like this, because we're doing things like this all the time. You can always leave a comment, or you can email me at info@applevalleyfarmga.com, or you can learn more about us by visiting our website at www.applevalleyfarmga.com. Thank you so much. Have a good day. See you.